Okay, I'm going to do a real quick video on the relationships, because after you create the tables, your queries will not work unless you have a relationship between those. And what that means, I'm going to go to my database tools and my relationships. You're going to see that between each table, and let me expand them out, come on, that there is a line that goes from one to the other. What is the relationship between the two? If we look at the customer number and the customer, it's the primary key. The relationship would be that customers can rent many tapes. So there is a one-to-many relationship, which also means that the primary key of the table, of one table with the one, has to also exist in the other table you want the relationship with. Same way with the tape. I have a tape code, which is a primary key. I have that exact same field in the rental, because one tape can be rented many times. They must match exactly. So let's show you how to put a relationship there. I'm going to delete the one that's already there. Yes, I do. Well, it's in use by another one. So I'm going to have to go to a different relationship screen. But all you have to do is, I can edit a current one, or you click on the primary key and take it over to the field of the one you want the relationship with, which would be called a foreign key. When I let up, it's going to tell me that I can create these. So my relationship is going to be in the customer. That field would be the customer number. In the rental, it would be also the customer number. I just happen to already have it there. Now you're normally going to see also what they call the join type. It's defaults to where it says only include rows where the join fields from both tables are equal. That is the one that is normally selected. You shouldn't have to do anything. It should already default to it. Now, what that means is that there's a lot of customers in the rental, but I only want to show where the customer numbers match. If you don't have a relationship and you try and run a query, I might wind up with all of my rentals repeated twice, or however many customers I have. So I could wind up with 6,000 rentals instead of 600 if I had 10 customers. So you just click and drag over to the relationships. Remember, you must do the relationships before you do any of your lookups to work or any of your queries to work. I hope this helps you.